Oh no, that's not an editing floor. This is my second helping.
This lounge rocks. So I've been sitting in the lounge for about an hour and a half or so now. There's a shower here, so I'm gonna go have a shower because... How cool is this? This shower is huge! Man, I just feel really squeaky clean. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I came out of there. My gate is there. Thanks so much.
I'm currently on a plane somewhere over somewhere, and I thought I'd finish this off by just letting you guys know how easy it is to get to Norwich. So you can find out more information at blacksmithtools.co.uk/FAQ. It really is pretty simple. The cheapest option to fly into Norwich from abroad is always to fly into Heathrow, and then either take a bus or take a Heathrow Express into London, then an Uber, and then a train from London Liverpool Street up to Norwich. Now, that's the cheapest way, and you can fly, like, from anywhere in the US. You can get a return ticket for, like, £450, you know, for, like, $700 you can get a return ticket to Heathrow, and then, you know, adds up being, whatever, £500 with the rest of the train tickets and the bus tickets. So it's pretty economical, but if you want to be super easy, then you fly straight into Norwich instead, because it's, like, 2 miles from the workshop. Anyway, I don't know what time it is, but I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right now, and I'll see you tomorrow, which is like when I land. But thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Hope you have an awesome day. It's been a pleasure. Bye-bye.